Intro. If you've ever felt like your marketing sounds the same as every other agent's, you're not alone. Many real estate professionals fall into the trap of Me Too messaging, saying they're hardworking, professional, or love helping people. While those things may be true, they don't make you stand out. That's where your unique selling proposition, USP, comes in. Why it matters. Your USP is the reason clients choose you over the dozens of other agents in your area. It's a clear, compelling statement that communicates what makes you different and why you're the best fit for your audience. With a strong USP, you don't just get noticed, you get remembered. USP prompt below. I may insert your role or business operating in the insert your niche, and my target audience is insert your target audience. We need to craft a unique selling proposition, USP, that differentiates our brand from competitors. Please ask me the necessary questions one by one, not all at once, to generate this USP. This should feel like a back and forth conversation with a branding expert. Based on the responses, please develop a comprehensive USP Pro. Tip: once you've nailed your USP, use it everywhere. Your website, listing presentations, email signature, and even your social bios. Ready to define what makes you stand out? Try this prompt today and create a USP that sets you apart from the competition. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes. And now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe today to earn tomorrow. All the best to your success.